All right, now that you understand the different types of variables, we're going to talk about input and output. In programming, basically everything happens by taking some input, doing some work, and giving back some output. So we're going to talk about how to do input and output. I'm going to show you two simple types of output and one simple type of input for the first half of the course. And we're going to use those pretty much exclusively for the first half. After we've learned most of the do work portion of programming, then we'll talk more in depth about different types of input and different types of output. But to start, we're just going to keep the input and output simple. So I'm going to teach you two outputs, one input, but just know you could swap them for any type of input or output in your program, and your program would work just about the same. So some versions of output, you could maybe send it to a printer, you could display it on the screen. There's a lot of different versions of output. There's a lot of different versions of input. You could get input from the keyboard, you could get input from the mouse, you could get input from someone talking into a microphone. All of these different versions of input can be replaced for the simple one I'm going to teach you, but for now we're going to keep it simple, and we're just going to talk about simple ways of doing input and simple ways of doing output.